Welcome to the Voyager on Marco Island. This is a boating community with a condominium residence spanning nearly 3,000 square feet under air with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. This property has 3 beautiful lanais, gorgeous panoramic sunset views, and expanded waterway views. Including a 7,000-pound boat lift, this slip is just moments from Caxambas Pass in the 10,000 Islands. I hope you enjoyed the tour. For more information on this property or other fine properties in the Naples or Marco Island area, please contact me, Diane Mato, with Premier Sotheby's International Realty.